I do a lot of 3D printing projects, and I appreciate the fact that this product has an assortment of different size magnets, and they're really strong, by the way. They have about 8 different sizes that you can work with for your projects. The magnets are very strong. There's quite a bit of them. This one is a 600 piece set. And like I said, there's a assortment of sizes. So there's always going to be a magnet size depending on your project. So excellent product. I'm very happy with these. And I use these on my 3D printing projects. So awesome product.